Check it out, man. Let me turn this down. Yet more crappy street level ham radio bullshit from an hour and a half north of Detroit. Not an hour. More significantly, I'm only 20 minutes from the battleground known as Flint, Michigan. Check it out, man. So, I'm in a good mood. I've moved a ton of frickin' rock, more than a ton of landscaping rock. I got it all done. I kept my promise to my sister, who's a wonderful human being. And really, man, I owe her everything in life. But earlier today, I threw out a couple CQs. Let me see if I can get this thing to focus. It's hateful. It doesn't matter. I don't think the video quality is the main issue with my video. Look at the match. Look. So that's my thing. I send a few test sequences. Look at the SWR, the wires on the blades of the grass. I'd call that a perfect match. Yeah, you want to question the usefulness of a union? Go ahead. Look, man, I kind of feel robbed, and I don't know if this will actually video. Let me see if I can get it to focus. Look, I've been detected by a few stations. All those on 80 meters are on this wire. Ignore the 40 meter contacts, and there you go. How's this detected again? There you go, by K3TTT on the East Coast. Is he, or is he in Pennsylvania? Yeah. So I got a ton of work done today for my sister, and I feel good about that, man. I saved her a ton of money. You know what, man? I owe her everything. And, so anyway, there you go. Can we make contacts on a piece of speaker wire supported by 1,000,000,000 antenna towers, otherwise known as blades of grass? Yeah, I'll find out tomorrow. Stupid ham radio from the streets of Clio, Michigan, 20 minutes north of the battleground of Flint. Oh my. 73. Thanks for watching, man.